Okay, this training video shows you how to receive payments in SDS. Now, there are two main ways of receiving payments, and I'm just going to run through to show you how you allocate payments and how quick they are. Okay, so the first way is to do it is via the actual invoice. So if you have the invoice to hand and you want to go through it and you just want to add a very quick payment, that's something you can do. So I'm just going to bring up the invoice like I have here, click on payments, and add new payment. Now this is a £2,500 or dollars, whichever way you have your currency set up. It's brought in the invoice number, as you can see up here, and the good thing about doing it this way is that you can check everything against the invoice in the background, which is one of the reasons why I prefer to do it this way. Okay, so your payment method, just say it was a wire transfer, it was deposited to the US bank account, reference number was on the payment, and I'm going to write in here fully paid. Okay, now if I save and apply this payment, that will go in there, apply the amount, yes, and that you can see that's now paid on the invoice. Okay, so there is also another way. So I'm just going to go into the account center here. All right, I'm going to click on Receive Payments. Okay, now on this particular screen, I need to select the company I want to apply the payment against. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as an example. I use the top one here. I see the amount here in the total. I just click on New Payment. That brings up the same screen that we saw on the previous way of doing it. Okay, again, this particular payment was made by credit card into the US bank account. Let's call it a Visa payment. Fully paid. As a note for myself, I'm going to press save and apply that amount, and as you'll see, drop off here, and you can see over here that that recent transaction has been done, and that's reflected up in the US bank account as well. And that's how you receive payments, the two ways to receive those payments.